Hello everyone, this is Ella's World of Imagination and today we're going to make a basic crab out of origami. Let's get started, shall we? So the first thing you will need is a piece of paper. So I'm going to use red card and you need it roughly 21 centimeters by 21 centimeters. So we're going to start by making a triangle. So fold your piece of paper up to make your first triangle. Then we're going to make another triangle. So fold it up into a triangle and then fold it back into a square, and then we're going to make a rectangle. Just like that, and then we're going to rotate it, and then we're going to make another fold so it makes it into a rectangle again. So your creases should be like this. So we're going to fold it back into a rectangle and then we're going to turn it round so the opening should be at the bottom. So we're going to make a triangle and pull the left side over and make a triangle. Then we're going to flip it over and make another triangle. We're going to pull that bit of paper over and make a triangle. So now we want the pointy bit facing towards us. And now we're going to make the crab's claws. So we're not going to pull this to the centre, we're just going to bring it over a little bit. So we're going to fold it in and make our little claw, just like this. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. So now we've done the claws, what we need to do is legs. So we're going to turn it round. So we're going to fold his bottom in, so it's towards him. So the pointy bit at the bottom, fold it in, and now we're going to do his legs. So we don't want to bring that to the crease, we're going to angle it out to the side. So we're going to fold that down and then we're going to do it to the other side as well. And then we're going to fold it down, just like this. And we'll turn it round and we have our crab shape. And now we just need some eyes. So I am using some googly eyes, but you don't have to use googly eyes. You can draw your eyes on yourself if you like. And our second eye. There we go, 2 eyes on our little crab, and look, your crab is complete. Well, I hope you enjoyed it today, making your crab. Join us for more origami. Thank you for watching, see you soon.